Let's start to produce a report using Rmarkdown. So far in this whole course, we have produced tables and figures and maps and data frames and so forth, but they all appeared in the R environment, right? Or in the plot window. But how do we get those plot actually in a document? Of course, we could just right click and copy paste it into a Word file that we were working with. And actually, this is how many people do it, right? They produce it in R and then manually copy paste it into a Word file and keep working there, writing their text there. Of course, this is not ideal because it's not strictly reproducible, right? You cannot rerun the whole report just with one click because there are too many manual steps involved. This is why Markdown exists. Markdown brings text and analysis together in one document. So Markdown is a fairly easy R tool to produce rich, fully documented, reproducible, or if you want even interactive reports for various formats, including HTML reports that you can open in browsers or an MS Word or PDF, right? And it combines text with code and output that you created. So I'm going to show you some examples of what Markdown can do. It's a very flexible tool. Of course, you can produce documents with it, like HTML, PDF, Microsoft Words, or other formats. And this is what we're going to focus on in this session, right? But Markdown, just to flag it, can do many other things. You can use it to produce interactive documents. Think about dashboards produced with Shiny or widgets on websites, right, that users can interact with. It can also, like I mentioned, produce dashboards using various other packages, using storyboard or HTML widgets and so forth. Lastly, you can use it to produce presentations and even books and websites. My whole online course was actually produced using Markdown in combination with another package called Bookdown, right? So it's a very flexible tool. People over time have put together templates for different academic journals that use the R Markdown language. So it's a system that keeps growing and is quite flexible and helps you to really take what you've done in your analysis and pull it all into a report that is 100% reproducible.